Hi everyone, let's take just a second to talk about the Insta-Check feature. I'm going to access a customer's profile and we're actually going to focus on the Insta-Check feature down here at the bottom of the client main screen. I do want you to know that inside of a personal, commercial, or life and health policy, you will notice this Insta-Check feature down at the bottom of inside of a policy as well. So what Insta-Check is going to do for me is it's going to allow me to print a check for my customer. That way, if they're calling or coming in to make a payment, they don't have to actually write me a check. I can still process a check for them using their routing and account information that I can keep on file. So you're going to store your customer's information here. This is where you're going to put their routing and account information. You can also have them sign a release form, and you can scan that release form into your client's images. That way you have on file an agreement from your customer that it's okay that you keep their routing and account information online. So let me tell you how Insta-Check works. Once you have your information in here for your customer and your customer calls or comes in to make a payment, you're going to hit New Check, put in the amount that they owe you for that day, and take your blank check paper, put that in your printer, and hit Print Check. That's going to print off a check for you that you can later deposit, like normal, or however you handle your end of day, you can process that check at the end of the day. Now, as far as getting check paper, you can get that blank check paper from Staples or Office Depot or any kind of store like that, that you're able to keep that in your agency. That way you have the check paper to be able to print the check for your customers. So if you have any questions around processing an Insta-Check from Jenesis, give us a call.